Look at this little snail. A little snail. Little snail.
Yeah.
There's a little snail sleeping on the window. Hey. Hello, good morning. Today it's Saturday.
Hello.
It is windy and I have my older camera, so I don't have any wind protection. Look at that, it's definitely gonna rain today. Very dark in the sky.
Sorry.
Finally, it's not as hot as usual, but it is windy. Like it's a chilly wind, which is nice. How are you?
I'm feeling good.
Are you?
I'm good.
Oh.
It's cold. It's too cold.
We're going to the gym after this. I'm gonna get home so I can get that done. It's nice to work out in the evening, but it's always nice to get it done in the morning. Is a stick for Tina? Guess what? I have my strawberry socks and my strawberry slippers. Oh yeah, I just realized the same socks I wore yesterday, but we did laundry yesterday, so these are clean. How was the workout today?
It was fine.
Fine, only fine.
It was good.
What did you train?
Butt.
Ass, booty,
Butt, ass, booty,
glutes.
glutes.
And I did some cardio and also trained some glutes.
Biceps and walking.
Yeah, I did glutes and cardio. And I did 18 kilos in each hand, like doing these Romanian deadlifts. Hi cuties, it's been a little bit since I saw you. Well, for you it's like not even a second. But I decided to go to IKEA again, surprise. Because I am buying furniture for Nini's toilet. I'm gonna put her toilet in like a... It's very unsteady. I'm getting a furniture for Nini's toilet, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put up a picture here somewhere so you can see. So I'm thinking inside of it, there's gonna be Nini's toilet, and then the doors are like, you can, instead of opening them like this, they slide, which is kind of cool. And then we're also getting a furniture for the hallway to like block off the little like Wi-Fi thingy. There's this ugly thingy that we keep like so Nini's doesn't chew it, so I'm gonna buy this picture of it here, and then in the back there's gonna be like cut out, or not gonna have a back like thingy that blocks. Varför kan jag inte prata fucking engelska? Whatever, I don't know how to speak English apparently. Not Swedish either. But there's gonna be furniture there, so we're gonna get those too. And I'm really excited for the Nini's, the furniture for Nini's toilet, so she can hide it there, and then it looks better. And we also removed the table because we don't use a table, which is maybe weird for a lot of people, but we never eat at a table anyways. Like I think last time I ate at a table, I was like 12 or something. So we don't do that anymore. This is very fucking unstable. So my dad eats in the living room and I eat in my bed. We never ever use the table. We don't even have the chairs for it yet, I don't think. So I removed that one because it just takes space, and my dad just keeps putting stuff on top of the table all the time, which I tell him not to, but he does it anyways. So I always have to clean it out. But yeah, so there's... Oh jävlar vilken fiskmåsjävel, flytta dig! Vad fan gör han? are we?
We are på IKEA. IKEA, come on, Francis.
Let's go in. By the way, I forgot to close my door before, and it flew open when my dad was driving. Not very small, is it? So we meet again, IKEA.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
So this is the one we want for the hallway. This one. And then I'm thinking we're gonna remove this. I'm gonna show you when I get home. So this is the one I'm getting for Nini's. It has these swinging, what's it called? Doors? I don't know what it's called exactly. You can decide to have these or not. And the idea is to have her toilet in here or on the other side. But yeah, I think this is gonna be good. I already measured everything, so it's gonna fit. Look at all the pink. Look at all the pink.
Guys.
This is so cute. This candle's kind of cool, like the shape. I already bought one, a small one. But I might want that one. I'm always so happy when I see these flowers. Oh well, not these, but these. Look how pretty. Now I'm looking for the furniture. So many have the same exact name. Vad heter den? Eket? Ja, men det finns så jävla många. Fuck 4. Skåp med 2 dörrar och 2 hyllor. 695 kronor. Här är bara en, tror jag. Ja, men jag kommer. Var är du? Hylla. Ja. Yeah, it wasn't that one, it's this one. Okay. 13 kilos. It's heavy. Men håll i vagnjävlen då! Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
So,
yes.
I got this plant, this pot, that plant. My dad got this plant, can't be in the bathroom. And then 2 furniture, and then this candle, and these clothes hanger. And then this one that you put in, it's this thingy. You put up your towels here, and I need to find these. I asked and she said where they were, but I'm kind of confused. Thumbs up. Eller thumbs down. Nej, men du får välja själv. We're done. Let's go home. Back home. And guess what time it is? It is time for time-lapse S multiple. Cue the music. course, I won't ever close this one, but yeah, I just wanted to see how she reacted. She's very interested. I think she gets it that she's running up. But I know, knees. But I am really happy with. I mean, it's not pretty in here, but who cares? It doesn't show. That's the point. I don't know why I put that there. But I want to buy a new rug here too, like a cute little pink one maybe, because this obviously shows. But I think it's nice. And then also I want to put some lights here and then maybe make this background cuter. I don't know why I just turned it around. I think I would do that later. I don't have any energy to change it now, but on the back side it's white. I don't know why I put this here. I'm fucking stupid. I'm really happy with the result. I mean, it's not very pretty, but it still works. I can put some stuff up here, maybe like a plant or some decorations and stuff. I'm really satisfied, honestly. Then my dad put up a new shelf here. Looks nice. And then the thing is gonna be here. That's what I was talking about. This thing, it's really fucking ugly. It's gonna be a furniture here that's like this tall maybe, and let's say from the wall to like here maybe. But we're gonna put it out a little bit, and then it's gonna be like this wide, maybe something like that. It's gonna be here, so it can cover this. We have this so Ninis doesn't chew it, so if we cover that, it's gonna be perfect. So yeah, I'm really happy. I think Ninis will like it once she has to pee and just poop. The girlie is here again. She's interested. I haven't changed this yet, obviously. I'm gonna have to clean this up, remove anything that's dangerous for her. I'm really excited. Might buy a new rug too, I don't know. She's a little bit like, what's this? Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. It's so funny, she ran off and then she came right back. I was cleaning the mirror and I saw her. Oh, she's gone again. She has a hay, like a little hay, piece of hay in her butt. I don't know why she ran out here. Of course, if you guys have any recommendations on what I should add in this area, let me know down below. No, she's here again. What's she doing? Ninis! What? Hello? Excuse me? No, there's a lot of stuff out there. You can't go there. Ninis! 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 Putting that there in case she goes in. Ninis! She's trying to eat the aloe vera plant. Ninis! She went in. Oh, okay. Just exploring. Just exploring a little bit. She was in the toilet. Hello. I got you. I got you. Got you. Got you. Hi cuties, it is the next day because yesterday I was building and I did a lot of stuff. I cleaned up a bit for a long time and then I didn't film anymore. So here I am. I'm gonna show you the end result. I'm really happy actually, and Ninis is very like curious. I think she likes it too. Like in the morning I walked out here and I saw that she didn't use the old toilet placement area to poop because she used to do that when I moved her stuff. She would still poop in the same area even if there was other things. But now she hasn't done that. She has actually pooped in this. She has pooped in here. See, there's some poop. I changed this yesterday, so I've seen that she's pooped and she's all the thingies that I use to soak her pee is like all over here. So this is how it turned out. I decided to put this plant out here instead. I might buy another plant to put out here. Here's Karen. Her name is Karen. I have a little mushroom. I have some this kind of stuff that I need. And in here, there's candy. There's candy in there and then petals in there and then little candies that I made myself here. Fake flowers. Little rabbit. Thought it was fitting. I have this light that I could turn on. See? And then here I just put this. We can't really do anything about this because Ninis will chew it and I don't know how to really put it in a way that will make it look cute. I just put this here. This is from my plant. I just put it in here. Aloe vera. My dad replanted this plant 2-in-1. So that one is really old. That one is like 10 years old or something. It's still alive, surprisingly. I put some oranges and lemons in here. Here I'm gonna like put something cute here. I'm gonna do something cute for now. I just have this one. We're also gonna buy new pots. at a thrift store, but it's Sunday today, so everything's closed, like all the thrift stores. So there's that. I'm not fully done yet. I obviously want to do other things. I want to add another rug here, maybe a round one, a bigger one. Here's her food area. She ate a little bit today. I just put this here for now. A little toy box. That one is not gonna be there, but I put it for now. Her castle, the chair we're getting rid of, so I'm gonna buy new stuff that I can put here. Maybe like a little dresser thing that I have in my bathroom I could put here. And then nothing changed here. Oh, I think I forgot to show you this, but I put this up that I bought at the thrift store. And I think it looks so cute out here. And then the other one is up here. Then we have this one. This one is not fully working. It's supposed to, it's magnetic, see? And there's something wrong with it. I don't know what, so I will have to contact IKEA or we will have to solve it somehow ourselves. This was the general idea. See, everything is in here so Nise can chew it, which was perfect. But of course I want to be able to use this, but it's not fully working, as you can see. I don't know, but obviously we want to use this here. But yeah, so that's looking way better in my opinion. And then I just put some candy in here. I have this light thingy. Here there's a new shelf, Wi-Fi. This is kind of ugly. I don't know what to do about that. Put a candle. My dad wanted to put that picture there. And then here is my new plant that I bought. I don't know. He's giving me like Negan vibes. So I might name him Negan or Daddy. This new plant I found at IKEA too. Also the big one is from IKEA. I put this there. I thought it would look cute. My dad's just trying to fix the bathtub because it's like something stuck down there. Oh, the lighting. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I've been vlogging a lot lately. 5 vlogs in a row. That's maybe a little too much. I don't know. Also got my period today, so I don't feel very good. I was gonna shower, but then like water came out running on the floor. So, but anyways, I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. It helps with the my videos showing up for you and like the algorithm and all that stuff. If you have any ideas on what I could add, maybe for my rabbit or anything like that, let me know down below. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, Lil Dacer. Don't forget to follow my mish.ASMR. I always say that wrong. Okay, love you, bye.